Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find the TBM Telematics Box Module fuses and relays on that generation Jeep Cherokee that you see right here from year 2014 to year 2023. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays guys, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. If you need anything, you can find it there. That's where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the TBM, also known as Telematics Box Module fuses and relays, let's demonstrate where you can find them on that generation Jeep Cherokee right here. What we guys need to do now, by the way, you have a few hidden fuse boxes that most owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, very helpful video guys. We need to go ahead and open the hood and facing the engine. Okay, that's your engine right here. On the right side of it, you see, that's the main engine fuse box. Here you have a couple tabs, press them together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse, okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse, sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. So the TBM, that stands for Telematics Box Module, the fuse guys. Let's explain about that, then we'll talk about a relay. Now that direction is the front of your Jeep Cherokee. This is the windshield side, that's the passenger side, that's driver's side. Here in that row of fuses, if you look, fuse number 78 guys. We're talking about this fuse right here, fuse number 78. It's a double fuse, micro 3-blade fuse. Keep some spare ones because this is really hard to find replacement of if you're in the middle of nowhere guys. That's the fuse that you need to check, fuse 78. You don't have any relays, you just have that fuse that's known as relay fuse on your Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.